Honorable Justice, our Chief Guest for this evening, all members sitting on the dais, guests who have come to La Martiniere, my dear students, we have assembled here this evening in the memory of our President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His death anniversary is celebrated on the 27th of July, that is tomorrow, but we are celebrating it one day early because of some convenience of time and events. We have an event in this hall tomorrow. So, मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, जो हम इसलिए यहाँ पर सब एक साथ उपस्थित हुए हैं because we all love our President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And the reason that we love him is that our President was the President of the people. His entire life he dedicated for the country, for the well-being of the country, and most important, for the well-being of the children of this country. So I'll just be reading out, because we have students here, a message of Dr. Kalam for the students of our country. Dr. Kalam said, and his message is to the students, focus on dreaming big, working hard, and treating failures as a stepping stone to learning. Three things. Focus big. Hamesha bada socho. Do not compromise with small things in life. Achievements have to be big. Your dreams have to be big. So the power of dream is not which we do while we are sleeping. Just now, one of the person just said it. The power of dreaming is that action. It is something that does not let us sleep. That is the dream that we are looking for India. And my dear students, there are so many things as young boys and girls who are sitting here, you will have to dream for your country, India. Secondly, he said, handling failures. Every action that you take in your life, there may not be success to it. Each of us have failed multiple failures in our life, but that does not mean that's the end of life. Failures should be the stepping stones to success. Each time you fail, you must learn something from your failures. Only then you can head toward success. And the last and the most important thing said by Abdul Kalam, Dr. Abdul Kalam, for students is the role of education. Education's true purpose is to build good human beings who are possessed with skills, expertise, and compassion. I'll repeat. Achhi shiksha, or good education is something which is building up good human beings. Achhe insan jo banati hai, that's good education. Building up skills in students who are expert in their different areas. And the most important thing is people, students, and citizens who are compassionate. If you're not compassionate, my dear children, and my dear people who are sitting and listening to me, without compassion, there is no life. If somebody is self-centered, if somebody has ego, if somebody has only thinking about himself, then ye bhi koi jeena mein jeena hai. You have to think about the others. You have to think about your neighbors. Just like Christ said in the Bible, love God above all things. And the second commandment is love your neighbors just like you love yourselves. So if each one of us love our neighbors just like we love ourselves, this world would be a beautiful place to live in. So at this point of time, I would like to give my respects to our President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and may the soul of our President always rest in peace, and may his name and his teachings and his education, which is given to us, may always live in our country and live within each and every one of us. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.